Hey guys, it's me, Juha. Hey, it's now time to clean and install my hair system. So let's do that together, and I'm gonna show my process and my way to do it. And you can see it's not that hard and everyone can do it. So let's go. And now you can see the crow's thing. This is the hair system that has been on my head for 5 weeks, and I will use cotton pads and nail polish remover to loosen up the tapes. And I will pad the cotton pads straight to the tapes and then roll them off. It's super easy. You get all the residue off easily, and then just at the end wipe it with the nail polish remover gently. Don't leave it there because it might melt. I've done that. And then wash my hair, shave the head, and I'm all good. And I soaked the system in silver shampoo water. Guess what, people? We are set and done. Hair is washed up, head is shaved, and the system is put in on I did put it on silver shampoo water, so it will tone down a little bit from the warmth that it has. And now I just need to attach tapes and we are ready. And by the way, the tapes that I will be using are Walker Ultra Hold Minis, also from Lordhair's website, so you can get them too. And this is the amount of tapes I'll be using, and I will attach the tapes always straight to the hair system, and then I will just lay it down and remove the tips. And I will start from the back and then move forward. And this is I think the easiest part. So I just attached the back of the hair system with 2 mirrors, so I saw where the placement is correct. And now I'm just gonna remove the tapes and press it in. It's done, but now I'm just gonna style my hair and I'll see you soon. So now that I've shown you what I do every month, or a little bit 1.5 months, it depends, because it might take also 5 weeks when I need to change tapes. So that is the routine that I need to keep up. It's easy, anyone can do this, and thanks Lordhair for the hair, it's great. And if anyone is still wondering what system am I wearing, it's the Superskin Remu, and I've done some highlights to it myself, so it has a little bit more dimension, and then I have soaked it in the silver shampoo water. But hey, if you have any questions, leave them down below wherever this video is going to show up, and hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And all my socials and all Lordhair socials will be linked too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.